thoughtful, helpful husband, the thoughtful, helpful husband, the hard working little bear. Never causing trouble, always working double, always doing more than his share. If the wife has got 3 wishes, the husband does the dishes, the laundry's also left in his care. When things are all a rubble, he'll perk and work and scrubble till things are in a state of repair. Hey, the thoughtful, helpful husband, the thoughtful, helpful husband, hard working little bear, that little bear. Never causing trouble, always working double, always doing more than his share. The vacuum cleaner's broken, not a word is spoken. The husband heads a ride for the broom. With the dustpan in his hand, he will do the best he can, setting things straight in the room. Hey, the thoughtful, helpful husband, the thoughtful, helpful husband, hard working little bear, that little bear. Never causing trouble, always working double, always doing more than his share. Garbage cans know the touch of his 2 hands. They really are a part of his life. They seem about to shout as he comes to take them out. Where have you been hiding the wife? Hey, the thoughtful, helpful husband, the thoughtful, helpful husband, the hard working little bear, that little bear. Never causing trouble, always working double, always doing more than he should. So freely, never boasting or revealing how much work the husband really does. But he's secretly amazed beneath his soft and loving gaze at how thoughtful and helpful that he was. Hey, the thoughtful, helpful husband, thoughtful, helpful husband, hard working little bear, that little bear. Never causing trouble, always working double, always doing more than his share. Alright, the thoughtful, helpful husband, the thoughtful, helpful husband, a hard working little bear, that little bear. But never causing trouble, always working double, always doing more than his share.
I'm very sorry. I thought that I had the hair turned off. Turns out that I didn't.